Hello everybody. In this video I am going to be showing you how to make the crystals from my last video 4 months ago, as promised. And in fact, I'm going to show you how to make crystals approximately 8 times larger than this one. For this, I just need solutions of calcium chloride and sodium hydroxide. Now, I can't just mix the two solutions together, because that would just produce a microcrystalline material, aka a powder. So instead, I'm going to use a method called diffusion. And for it to work, we need this yogurt container. I put the beakers inside and fill them to the rim with distilled water. Then I also fill the entire container, so there is about 1 centimeter of water above the beakers. While filling the container, it's very important to pour the water in very slowly, to not agitate the solutions of the salts too much. And now we wait for a month. After 2 months, this is what I got. A crust of calcium hydroxide formed on the surface, which is not the thing we want. Underneath the crust, though, is the really nice stuff. Massive crystals of calcium hydroxide. It's really awesome to have such big crystals of pretty much insoluble material. These crystals are very pure calcium hydroxide with low surface area. This helps to slow down reaction with carbon dioxide from the air, which happens to powdered calcium hydroxide and makes it degrade over time. So these crystals aren't only very pretty, they're also a pretty good way to store your calcium hydroxide and prevent it from reacting with carbon dioxide from the air. Although even these crystals will eventually react with carbon dioxide from the air, forming calcium carbonate, as you can see here. Or a little less so in this example right here, where the crystals only have a slightly white covering. Since the first recording of this video, I have made other crystals by this method, and on screen you can see the results of a setup using sodium benzoate and copper sulfate to make copper benzoate crystals. This should be the first ever recorded instance of bulk crystals of the salt being made, and more crystals are on the way. I would love hearing your suggestions on how I can modify this experiment to yield better results in the future. Secondly, I want to know if you want to see a more in-depth dive into the mechanism of the slow diffusion crystallization, and if you do, let me know in the comments so I can start working on it. Now enjoy some more photos of the crystals, and I will see you in the next video.